No, I'm sorry, but you don't joke about stuff like that. You don't use words like that. You don't talk about any one race that way and get away with it with me. I'm not.
Warning: the following video contains strong language which may be offensive to some viewers or inappropriate for children. The content within this video is intended for mature audiences only.
And clearly not. Hey, I got a call, sorry. No, I'm sorry, but you don't joke about stuff like that. You don't use words like that. You don't talk about any one race that way. And some of you fucking weird ass motherfuckers don't have standards. So I'm not like that. You can do whatever you want, whatever you like. Live your life. But I don't support people who speak that way. There is nothing smart, there's nothing innovative, there's nothing creative about the way that he speaks. So I don't know what the fuck is wrong with you people, but you need to relax. You do. It's hella corny. You're hella corny and tired. For you to even think that I would fucking succumb to that
But we can hate our boobs together. I love you. You're my best friend now. Because we hate our tits. So that's cool. Go team! No, my boobs sag because I smoke and because I lay down on my stomach. I sleep facing downward. Face into the pillow type shit. Is this something we want to discuss? Do you guys want to talk about how my boobs sag for like 30 minutes straight? I bet you we could. We could find things. It might take some work, but it's worth it in the end. Fuck it, I'm so fucking itchy. There's fucking hair everywhere, dude. Dude, let's talk about my boobs for like 50 years. Let's die talking about my boobs. That will be fucking fire. Yeah, we should do that. Right? Let's be honest. We all want to do that. Dude, if aliens came down and started just shooting laser beams and taking people up, and it was the end days and fucking they came down and destroyed everything on the planet, we'd still be here. We'd still be here talking about my boobs. Because that's what we want to do. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? Anyway, weather's nice. It's been pretty hot lately. This is not weed, no. Banana flavored nicotine. Thank you. The word tits make me very uncomfortable. Why does the word tits make you uncomfortable? The word tits doesn't make me uncomfortable. I like the word tits. Tits are nice. Tits are great. Tits are necessary in human evolution and reproduction. You know, what would we be? What would we do without tits? You know, dude, tits are so important. I like, dude, oh, fucking boogers. Tits, dude, tits. Got some food in my teeth. Dude, tits are so important, dude. I like talking about tits. I like saying it like that too. Tits. My tits. Dude, I have nothing to do today. I actually do have one thing to do. I need to call somebody, but I'm not going to do that because that's business related and I don't feel like doing business at the moment. But what I do feel like doing is saying the word tits, but then adding another syllable to it that isn't needed to make it sound like tits. So that's cool. What are you guys doing? How are you guys doing these days? I am not talking like you, Brett. You do not say tits. That's my bit. Yes, my tits. Nice. You made a quarantine radio. That's cool. You're eating kiwi, one of my favorite fruits.
Your shirt is like a...
Oh my god.
Night and morning, keep with me in the moment. I let you have, I know it. Why don't you say so? Night and morning, keep with me in the moment.
You look Arabic. Are you? Oh boy. I learned that we could
2 kids.
kids might have eggheads and they might be autistic, but they'll be really smart. And no.
Sad. Don't be a nigga. No, chill. Oh, it's gonna cheer her up because she's not black.
What's up, guys? No. Not making an OnlyFans anytime soon. What? Okay, why? I don't get it. What? When someone makes an OnlyFans, do they think that their shit is not gonna get leaked? What is that? Like, what is... What do they think that it entails? When they post... You could probably make a lot of fucking money off OnlyFans if you just do one post and that's it. Or you taper it. You taper it from like boobs. Well, what the fuck? Okay, what do people, what are some things that you guys could tell me that people put on OnlyFans? Hi. What? Oh, cool. Okay, I get it. So you can post, okay, you post 15 seconds of something, and then if people are like, well, I want to see the rest of it. Okay, that makes sense. That actually completely summed it up for me. Thank you. Because I couldn't even think why anyone would make an OnlyFans. That shit can still get leaked. I thought my boob was out. Dude, that shit can still get leaked. Someone said my boob was sagging. That comes with having real boobs. Hey, you want to know something cool? You want to know something crazy? Come here. Hey, you want to know something crazy as fuck? Come here. Dude, if your boobs are real, sometimes they sag. Isn't that crazy? Isn't that the craziest thing, though? Like, it's wild. But God damn it! I swear to God, this is gonna be my fucking downfall, dude. I don't know about you guys. I always have shit in my nose.
Because I'm in hell. Mom fucker boss, I just want to say, if you're not well, you should fucking seek help, alright? I'm sick, but I'm not well. And I'm so hot. Because I'm in hell. Mom fucker boss, I just want to say, if you're not well, you should fucking seek help, alright? And also, quit showing feet. People are gonna get fucking super excited about that. Alright, don't listen to him. He's a piece of shit. I understand you're new here, mom fucker. Can I have that wrestling helmet behind you? Henry, the fact that you said you're not getting excited about that leads me to believe that, Henry, you are in fact excited about Doja's feet. Henry's excited. Like,
I'm super down to give other people's belongings to people that I don't know, you know?
If I were to say, man, I really don't like foot massages in the fucking sunsets, I would probably be like, yeah, this guy probably likes that exact thing.
I think that explains it. Speaking of desensitized gag reflexes, my loose lady of the night, Doja. So easy and loose. Let's go to the inn. And only two servers.
Yes, Daddy. Oh my God. Her shirt reminds me of a baby duck. Her shirt is like a...
Oh my God. I'm sorry, my lady Dallas. What does her shirt remind you of?
It reminds me of like a little duckling with feathers.
She's a little duckling. She thinks she's a hot
It's
chick.
yellow and it's got feathers. It's like a little duckling.
A chick. Yes, pull your shirt up, you loose lady.
It's night and morning, keep with me in the moment. I that you had, I know it. Why don't you say so? Night and morning, keep with me in the moment. I that you had, I know it. Why don't you say so? Night and morning, keep with me in the moment. I that you had, I know it. Why don't you say so? Night and morning, keep with me in the moment. I that you had, I know it. Why don't you say so? Night and morning, keep with me in the moment. I that you had, I know it. Why don't you say so? Night and morning, keep with me in the moment. I